Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 17. A large firm may experience diseconomies of scale if there is A. Difficulty in coordinating decisions, B. Division of labor in production, C. Employment of more specialists, D. Decrease in cost of production. Now the concept of diseconomies of scale, diseconomies of scale happens when a company or business grows so large that the cost per unit increases. So it's just like saying their overall cost of production increases. Now, amongst the option given to us, the factor that is likely to increase cost of production here is employment of more specialists. Employment of more specialists. Now, when more specialists are employed, it means the cost of production increases due to the fact that their salaries and wages have to be paid. So employment of more specialists increases cost of production via the salaries of the employees. So it happens when there is C, employment of more specialists. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.